Hello guys and welcome back to my maths channel in Padhega to Badhega. Last week we have seen the full concept of LHS and RHS with all the problematic question. So further we'll proceed with linear equation. Okay, linear equation is very common. Linear, what does linear mean? Linear means line, a simple line. Okay, that is all linear. The linear equation will be problem and will be directly going to the question. Okay, solving for x, transposition. What is transpose? Okay, moving from LHS. Okay, this is LHS, this is LHS, RHS. Okay, if you move here to here, what is transpose? Okay, some word problem is there. Okay, so I've already built some question. Okay, linear example consists of variable to the power of 1. That is the basic example. Y equal to 2x. Okay, that is example. Now what is there? Linear equation. Suppose one example is there, x plus 7. I have told you we'll do the transposition. Okay, transpose. So plus 7, if this is plus 7, if it moves to RHS, okay, plus becomes minus. So x equal to 15 minus 7, x equal to 8 will be the answer. I'll solve some more questions for you guys. The first one was plus 7. Now here is, we have to take out the value of x. Okay, 3x. 3 into x means x is multiplies. X is equal to 27 by 3. Okay, so 3 9s are 27, x equal to 9. These are basic types of question. In the beginning, if you see, I have prepared a question, x plus 7 is equal to 5. Now here we will go for the next one. Okay, solve 4x minus 1. Okay, so we will do the transpose. Okay, transpose, T-R-A-N-S-P-O-S-E, transpose minus 8. Okay, if it goes to RHS, it will be plus 8. Okay, so 4x minus, if it is go to here, okay, 20. Okay, this minus goes here, plus 28. Now I have done multiplication over here, 4x 28, 20 plus 8. Okay, so x is equal to 28 by 4. Okay, that is 4 7, x is equal to 7. Answer. This is very common method. Next question is on the problem. We'll go to some problems. A number increased by 8 becomes 20. Find the number. Suppose let the number be a number increased by 8 becomes, increase means plus 8 becomes 20. This is plus 8. If it transpose to right hand side, okay, it becomes minus 8. 20 minus 8. X is equal to 20 minus 8 is 12. Answer. So 12 is the answer. 12 plus 8, 20. LHS is equal to RHS. That is also you can do. Our number, next question is, a number decreased by 15 gives 25. Find the number. First was increased. Second one is decreased. A number decreased by 15 gives 25. So this, if you do transpose, okay, 25 plus 15. 25 plus 15 is 40. So x is equal to 40 is the answer. That's all for today's. If you are viewing my channels, please do like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for such more questions. I'll come in my next session with some more questions like this. Thank you guys.